It's time for the Ball State Minute. I'm Beth Livingston. Neil Palumba, Dean of the College of Business at Ball State University, says 60% of the college's MBA credit hours are generated by MBA via TV. It's time for the Ball State Minute. I'm Beth Livingston. It's time for the Ball State Minute. I'm Beth Livingston. Neil Palumba, Dean of the College of Business at Ball State University, says 60% of the college's MBA credit hours are generated by MBA via TV.
We are probably one of less than 6 business schools in the entire country that can put an entire accredited MBA out via technology. Recently, the U.S. News and World Report, when they put out a directory on the best graduate schools, actually had a whole article devoted to MBA via TV and featured our college, even had a photo of one of our students. We're certainly proud of the fact that we use state-of-the-art television studios, state-of-the-art computers. In the final analysis, it's not just the technology. It is really the quality of our students and the quality of our faculty that make our MBA program a program to be proud of.
With the Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston. With the Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston. Ball State University was one of the pioneers to develop a program for small business and entrepreneurship. Donald F. Kratko, Distinguished Professor of Business and Director of the Entrepreneurship Program at Ball State, proudly says the program is one of the most elite in the United States.
We are proud to say that at Ball State University, we are continuously ranked in the top 25 programs in America. I've got about 7 books out in the field, but my most popular book is called Entrepreneurship: A Contemporary Approach. And it's really neat to know and exciting to know that of the 440 schools that are teaching entrepreneurship, we are in over 350 of those schools with our book. So I think that gives a lot of credibility and prestige to Ball State University. This wasn't built by one person or one professor. This was built by all the alumni now that share the pride in knowing they have a nationally ranked degree from Ball State in the area of entrepreneurship.
For the Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston. I'm Beth Livingston with today's Ball State Minute. The newest college at Ball State University is one of only 35 of its kind in the nation. Earl Kahn is Dean of the College of Communication, Information, and Media.
The 4 programs in the new college are the Master's Degree Program in Information and Communication Sciences, Journalism, Telecommunications, and Speech Communication. About 1,800 majors. That's about 1 out of every 10 students at Ball State University.
Kahn says the new college keeps pace with the changing world of communications.
The curriculums of the 4 units are also very much state-of-the-art curriculums. And one thing that I think that's really good about Ball State is that every program is constantly under review. Nothing stays the same just because we did it that way 5 or 10 years.
The new college started July 1st. With the Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston. Welcome to the Ball State Minute. I'm Beth Livingston. Students with disabilities gain independence at Ball State University, according to Richard Harris, Ball State's Director of Disabled Student Development.
We have people doing their computer work and voice-activated computers. Students who are blind that are scanning their print material give out a recognition that's called the Most Accessible Teacher Award. And this recognizes one of our classroom teachers who's really gone above and beyond to make sure that students with disabilities are getting what they need in the classroom.
Harris says efforts outside of the classroom also enhance the success of students with disabilities. Everyone from the residence hall staff to other students on campus take a personal interest in making Ball State a user-friendly environment. For the Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston. I'm Beth Livingston with today's Ball State Minute. Eric Kelly, Dean of Ball State University's College of Architecture and Planning, says the college is one of only 6 in the country to bring landscape architecture, and urban planning together in one place.
The Carnegie Foundation for the Advancement of Teaching did a major report on architectural education in the United States and mentioned Ball State University more times than any other school in the country. And all in a very positive context because we're really providing the sort of practical but future-oriented professional education that will prepare our students to practice planning and landscape architecture and architecture in the 21st century. Most of our students, in addition to working on their own sorts of projects in the studios and having the chance to work with their hands and work with designs, will also work on one or more real projects in real communities in Indiana.
I'm Beth Livingston with today's Ball State Minute. Marilyn Weaver, chair of Ball State University's Department of Journalism, says the program is preparing students in over 83 majors and minors.
Journalism at Ball State has developed a reputation for very strong publications, and our students get a great deal of experience in magazine journalism, newspaper journalism, and we also have an agency that produces public relations work and advertising called limited edition. So our students have a number of opportunities to get a hands-on experience. Journalism is a very professional-based program. Our students utilize some of the finest technology available to train in this field. However, we have a superior faculty who work very hard and very close with our students.
For the Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston. I'm Beth Livingston with today's Ball State Minute. Cleve Scott, head of Ball State University's Musical Engineering Technology program, is helping students learn to use technology to make, distribute, store, and design music.
The photon torpedoes on Star Trek. What does a real photon torpedo sound like, since there isn't one? So you have to dream these things up. We're concerned with that aspect, the creative aspect. We're concerned with the engineering aspect, how to use science in the service of the art. Very interested in maintaining what your interests are and how your own personality is going to make an imprint later on in your career. So we don't want a whole bunch of people marching out of here with, the same suit on and the same set of credentials. We want everybody to walk out of here with specialty.
For today's Ball State Minute, I'm Beth Livingston.